go fishing. Just where we'll point that boat, nobody knows. Well, we don't know if it's gonna be feast or famine. So sit your ass back and enjoy the Big John Show. Let it go! Watch that stump over.
What's up, lifers? We finna do a little work today. Got Buck over here. We finna put a graph back on here. Start doing a little more kayak fishing. How much is y'all hearing this wind? I'll show you what we put them out on. Thank you, Gary. This is from you. We're gonna put a hook 2.9 split shot HDI. It doesn't have a side imaging, but it's got down imaging. I'm not even going to try to give you the name of it. It's a XZOY lithium, 12.8 volt, 18 amp hours. That's what I'm running the graph with. I'll have it linked down in the descriptions. Of course, it came off Amazon. Everything comes off Amazon. I'll list the mounts and everything. Gary gave me the graph, but I'll list one close to it in there too. If you're interested. It's probably a little bit much for a kayak, but is there such a thing as too much in fishing? I mean, come on, guys. Yeah, we got it flipped over. We thought we were videoing it, but you know, we're not professionals. You can tell I've used this bitch a little bit.
Well, you might need to bring them back so we'll skip that.
Yeah, I brought it up. Y'all know what that is. Get that mount for it if you don't find any use that mount.
Oh, that's for on the trolling motor, I guess. Just a minute.
Yeah, I know. That right there's a down imaging transducer. It's a little bit bigger than the transducer that was in there before. We're gonna see how it all works. Probably be about a week before I get on the water. I'm still short of GoPro, so I'm not gonna fish if I don't have a GoPro. I'm working on that next week. Here at Do and Redo. If we don't read instructions and we don't take time to think about shit, we just do it.
Just figure it out.
It's got a little wire loop in there to run your transducer cable through. We didn't figure it out till we'd already got it tightened up. That's part of it. Out here at the idiot boat shop. He does all his own shit, so. Which way are you going? Which way are you going? This way? This kayak, for it being hell, how old is it? Probably 6 years old, 5 years old. Still pretty good shape. Cause I bet it's got 10,000 hours on it.
Yeah, just go knock on the door. She's in the house. Thank you.
Thanks.
Look, see if it went through.
Nope.
That shit was like it was built for it. Vibe, y'all did a good job 10 years ago. Ever how old this kayak is. 6 years ago.
Is she coming?
Why not? I ain't in there. We're getting close, about all we got left over is breaking bolts off of it. They went and got me a little longer neck. It ought to be right where I want it, right in my ball sack. Eyeball sucker. Boating her over complaining about balls.
Okay.
I'll have to go over and lean in my hand.
Ow. Slip. Probably be able to run your power wire too late. Yeah, that's where the boat goes. Just make sure water didn't get in, stay in there and settle.
I'll just take it off and lay it out. Damn, that smells like some fire, dude. I didn't know my friend was doing one of them.
Maybe we get some. Look at how it is. You put it under there.
I just don't never run that back. They want to put something on the bottom. I had more of a top water bite today. What do y'all think about that? Y'all think I can be able to see a fish here or two? I probably still won't catch them, but we'll be able to see them bastards. We finna turn on demo mode here in a minute, see if I can see any fish in the driveway.
Works good. I don't know what what's in that shit, but they got it done.
They buffing my screen, yeah.
I don't know what they gave it to me when huh, that's weird right there. How long have you had this?
Over a year.
Oh, they come off.
Been sitting in a box in my gun cabinet. See if you can find a demo mode on there.
You got a card for it?
What size card it takes?
You know, a map card. I don't know if it takes that.
Is it just a standard SD card?
Yeah, micro SD. I don't know. I think they come in micro SD now. You have to read the book to see if you put just a regular SD.
Y'all say he talking dirty over talking about reading a book.
There it is. Look.
There we go.
She does.
We're gonna see if we can't find some fish right here in the driveway.
There was some more pieces in that box.
What kind of pieces?
Oh, you have another
Fuse and some more screws, yeah.
knob.
Yeah, I got extra set of knobs. See, in there in the box, it had the knobs and that fuse.
I'm not getting what this is.
I figured that's where like a sunscreen snaps on or something.
Probably.
I don't know if y'all can see all that.
Let's go in there.
I know it. Yeah, you let old butt work on your electronics and they'll work forever. Till the battery dies anyway.
There it is, English. You want English and Espanol, Samoy, French,
Samoy.
Italiano, or Netherlands.
I want Samoy.
I gotta figure out which one's the enter key on this. I think it's that one.
Did you really put on Samoy?
No, it's from me. Register your device.
Call out the numbers I need.
Register now.
Okay, so
I'll do it later.
I'm gonna do it later.
For real?
Yeah. How many can you do it right there?
I don't know.
How would you? It's not hooked up to the internet.
If it tells you to put a
It said it had all the codes you had to put in there on that cover. That's why I saved that cover.
okay, do it later.
Yeah.
Pages. Charts. Does it have charts on it? I guess it does. Oh, look at it. It's preloaded. You get contour lines and stuff. Straight to the creek.
Can I mark spots on it without
Yeah.
a card?
It probably will, but you'll have to put a card if you want. Latitude, longitude, all that. fish and stuff already marked on there.
It's probably like a brush pile or, with the light patrol. That 4 patrol.
Railroad.
Down my home.
Here we go. Here we go. Now we're getting to the end. Hijacker. Hijacker. Duck pond.
Burnt trip.
Let me see.
Pretty close.
Creek goes that way. Well, I don't know. The boat launch right there. The boat launch got to be in here somewhere. Huh. Well, they got the duck pond marked in here, I don't know. See, because that's where the creek goes around. Up in, I don't know what that is. Is that the boat launch?
That's a boat ramp. They don't have a duck pond mark.
Well, you'll know when you get out there, because it'll show you where you're at.
Go through it now, scan. Alright, y'all, we back fishing like it's 2 miles. Yeah, not 2020s yet. I'm not putting live scope on the kayak. Unless I win the Kayak tournament. Yeah, I'm gonna fish that. Said I'd never fish another Kayak tournament ever again, but they've got a kayak division. On Long Star Lake from there.
60 foot.
Alright, y'all, we got it done. We're ready to fish now. Probably next weekend before I get on the water. If you like this video, like, share, subscribe, thumbs up. Like I say, just basic. We ain't teach you how to, you just watch us do it. You need to know what we did in particular. I'll tell you. Ask in the comments. I have the battery length, the mounts that I bought, and a graph similar to that. I don't know if they sell that exact same graph now. But yeah, I appreciate the graph. If you happen to watch this video. We need to get out on the water too. It's been a minute since I fished at all. I know it's been a while since you fished.
Because you don't like that short.
I'm gonna take it all. I'm gonna put it in the truck. I'm not gonna go down the highway with it.
I'm just going to do it the simple way. Like you're supposed to.
Close it down. Don't lose your knobs. Knobs are expensive.
Yeah. $20
And that's how she's gonna go down the road, yeah. I'll get me a little bag to keep on me, It don't matter if day it ain't raining, it's finna go under the carport.
I would try and find you some little rubber caps to put bugs. Some little bugs. Probably floating through there.
Where you get something like that. Where you get little rubber caps at the hardware store?
Go to any
I'm getting that bag. So now I gotta buy half gallon of Crown Royal down this crap.
Grab you 6-inch bags.
Alright, yeah.
Going to eat some pizza.
What can go eat? Hey, can go eat. Alright, can go eat. Like, share, subscribe, and we'll catch y'all next go around.
That other one?
It's broke.